For the past 4 years, I have had the privilege of hosting NADA workshops, helping dealerships nationwide enhance their speed to sale and increase profitability. This year, there's something special in store. At NADA, I won't be hosting the workshop. Instead, I'll be joining a distinguished panel of industry experts led by Euwart Anderson, Executive Vice President of Vehlo. The title of the panel presentation is Driving Profitability, Innovations in Appraising and Reconditioning. Joining me on the panel are Jared Ricart and David Long, both esteemed industry veterans. Together, we'll delve into strategies and insights that have propelled dealerships to new heights of profitability. The attendees of this workshop will discover how to drive profitability and elevate their dealerships to new heights by streamlining their processes and leveraging technology.